Hey there guys, in this video I want to make it like very effective and quick for you about the best apps for singing and recording and what kind of things that you can be like aware of. So the first one, the most popular one for it is a BandLab that you can also use as also on Google Play or iOS, most popular one. So you can pick versatility, allowing multi-tracks recording and professional vocal effects, often praised also as superior to GarageBand for quick high quality vocal production. So there are like plenty of tutorials that you can use. So the BandLab is very good. Now another one that is like also great is called GarageBand. So this is primarily for the iOS, and this is kind of like another one that you can check out for yourself, but it's iOS, right? So that's something to be actually aware of. Now with that is that best native app, Apple app for recording, editing and mixing. So then you're gonna have also Smule for another app. So that's for the social karaoke style singing. And also you're gonna have featuring a massive library, duets and video filters. So this is primarily for the karaoke, okay? And that's like what you can actually try if you're gonna be like even for like friends and stuff like that. So and like even like someone who's like online, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's another thing that you can actually try for yourself. Then Reaper, this is also another one. So this is advanced, more powerful DAW recommended for those looking for professional level recording. This is primarily for that, for primarily like PC. And then you're gonna also Musician. That's like the last one that I want to share with you. That also highly regarded for beginners learning to sing, offering structured lessons and pitch feedback. So this is kind of like another one that you can actually test out for yourself, and maybe you would like it. And then you're gonna have like another one, for example, like N-Track. So the N-Track, what is great about it, you're gonna have like a multi 30th anniversary, ignite your creativity, and you're gonna have like plenty of things here too that you can like use it for, built-in effects, step sequencer, and yeah, easy to use for multiple recordings. And that's pretty much it. Now I just wanted to make this like very quick and effective for you to not waste your time. And thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.